whether the okay, then whether last topic is more, don't worry about it. So basically last topic is don't worry about it. So you're gonna write instead of understanding. Okay, so all steps. Okay, what all step? Okay, ma'am, you are here for judicial review based on the substantive ground. Standards are reasonable. It means they have a jurisdiction because I made a decision based on privative clause with right of appeal. Number two, expertise of the tribunal. They are more expert than the court. Number three, purpose of the statute as a whole. Number four, nature of question. Based on 4 steps, I made a decision. More deference, standard would be reasonable. The next issue before the court is, or being a student. Next issue before the court is, which is a last topic, whether decision of the admin body is reasonable or unreasonable. Whether write it down. Whether decision of the last topic, whether decision of the admin body is reasonable or unreasonable. Or unreasonable. There are 2 standards: reasonable, correctness. Okay, based on 4 steps: privative clause with right of appeal, expertise of the tribunal, purpose of the statute as a whole, or nature of the question at issue. Based on 4 steps, being a judge, I made a decision. Standard is reasonable. Mean tribunal have a jurisdiction. The next issue is before the court, whether he made a decision, whether their decision is reasonable or unreasonable. What happened in Alberta Dentistry Board? Okay, for example, decision of the Alberta Dentistry Board standard is reasonable. So what do you think? Decision of the Alberta Dentistry Board is reasonable or unreasonable?
Unreasonable.
Why?
Because they are not giving the regular.
Very good. See how exact word to word you're gonna see in an exam. So standard would be, okay, you know what standard would be? What is a concept? These are all pages. You know what? Admin body. Okay, you heard his case. Lot of file. Just I need last 5 minutes. This is the whole file before the court. Based on the whole file, nature of the statute. Okay, you know what, ma'am? Standards are reasonable. It means I cannot help you at this time. They have a jurisdiction based on 4 steps. But next issue is based on this step, any procedural error. Yes, they did not provide right to counsel. So I'm gonna say standards are reasonable, but decision of the arbitrator is unreasonable because they did not provide right to counsel based on these steps. Second step, which is not relevant in exam, absolutely not, but we have to understand. Standards are correctness. It means based on, because you made a file between tribunal and
Admin body.
no, tribunal is
Tribunal
here.
And
Defense.
defense.
Okay, you have a long file, couple of pages file. Now based on this file, I made a decision. Standard is correctness. Standard is correctness. It means they do not have jurisdiction. Whole file put into garbage. Now I'm gonna start from the zero. Bring your evidence. Bring this one. This is whole file would be garbage because they do not have even jurisdiction. So whole file is garbage. This is the main purpose behind this. So anyway, guys, thank you very much. I really would like to appreciate for this great honor to be here for this great class. According to my opinion, this class was very great. According to your opinion, I have no idea class was great or class is not great. I try my best to educate you based on. Hey, excuse me, just for 2 minutes. Hey guys. Okay, please. Okay, I have just one question, just for 1 second. Excuse me, guys. Just sit down, just for 5 minutes. Just for 5 minutes. Just for 5 minutes. Uh, just for 5 minutes. Uh, just for 5 minutes. Just for. Let's see. Just 1 second. Just for 1 second.
Aamer.
Yeah, just for 1 second. Just for 1 minute. Yeah, you can.
Not joke.
यार ये क्या है? Just 1 second. Yeah. यार ये क्या हो गया? Hey guys, did you join my NCA Exam Guru Facebook page? All people, did you join my NCA Exam Facebook page? Computer guys, I need your answer, please. Okay, NCA Exam Facebook page.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So you know what? Okay, so I'm gonna update my regular schedule. Which would start 22nd of February. Already? Okay. Okay. 22nd of February. Okay, before 22nd of February, if you want to be registered, day before at least 2 days before the class, because I can provide you my notes. In my first class, we have to bring all my notes. As soon as you have to be registered, if you're gonna if you're gonna come into my first class, if you do not have a notes, again because in my notes, I'm gonna teach you how to again keep practicing from my notes. Everyone gonna have notes in front of you guys. Okay, so if you wanna join my class, okay, so better 2 days before 2 days before the class. Next Saturday, 2 days before the class. Maximum Thursday would be a final day. Thursday you have to be registered. Okay, you have to be registered by Thursday, and then I'm gonna send you. Okay, if Skype people, just write it down in Skype group. And for in person, I'm gonna make. Everyone has written up name and telephone number. Right? No, did you write? So I'm gonna make WhatsApp group. So in WhatsApp group, just show me your interest. If you are okay, if you wanna come in person, you can pay me in person. My content would be there. Okay, in person. Okay, you can pay me in person, right? To my accountant. If you are through Skype, okay, Skype. So in Skype, just show me your interest. I'm gonna deal in a Skype. So at least 2 days before the class, write it down in WhatsApp group or in Skype. So I'm gonna send you. I'm gonna give you access to go into my website. In my website, as much as you can watch. In my website, 24/7 you can watch. Excuse me. You can watch 24/7 after my lecture. If you will not gonna understand, I have my own website. All lectures, all notes are there. You can go into my website. You can watch as much as you can. Still, if you will not gonna understand, give me a call Monday to Friday anytime. I would love to answer all of your questions. Doesn't matter you are my student, you are not my student. If you are my student, of course, I'm gonna entertain. So then number two, if anyone is, for example, if you're gonna write in May, you're gonna defer your exam from May to August. Somehow there was some reason. So next semester, you're gonna sit down free of charge. I'm not gonna charge even a penny. If anyone is fail in an exam, so I'll give you free tutoring. On top of that free tutoring, I'm gonna give you one-to-one tutoring. So I'm gonna charge $400 plus HST. Of course, if you're gonna pay me through email, e-transfer, 400 plus HST. If you're gonna bring cash, is whatever, right?
No tax.
Still you have to pay tax.
No.
That should be not done.
I mean, still you have to pay tax. Yeah, yeah. Still you have to pay tax. Bring a cash, still you have to pay tax. Okay, so that's it. Okay, thank you very much, guys. Okay,
So-
if you don't mind, can I have one picture with you?
Amma-
Just today is the first.
Amma, sorry.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. One question from here. We have to answer.
Please, what time is the class?
I'm gonna update in my NCA Exam Guru Facebook page.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay.
Just for यार ये कौन यार ये क्या है यार ये just join my this group this is my Facebook page. I think you have to join. Anyway, so okay, guys. So okay, I have to take one picture, please. Okay, you have to be.
Sir, इनको दे दें, ये ले लेंगे और आप भी आ जाएं हमारे साथ।
Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
ये हमेशा रह जाते हैं सर, आपको अच्छा लगता है, ये
मैंने
अलग
आज
बता दो।
मैंने तस्वीर में उतरवाता ही नहीं हूँ।
सर आज उधरवा
नहीं,
लेंगे,
आ
उधरवा-
जाइए,
हाँ,
please.
फिर उसको धुलवा के लगा
पहले
देंगे।
पहले उतरवाते थे, अब बंद कर। अच्छा, अपने आमिर भाई सारे आने चाहिए।
आप थोड़ा सा-
काफी
मैं
इधर होना
उधर
पड़ेगा।
चला जाता हूँ।
आप मेरा ख्याल उधर से नहीं
इधर फिर चार लोग पीछे आ जाए, लोग आ जाएंगे।
पीछे जाकर लग सकते ना। ओके।
आप इधर जाइए। थोड़ा सा ना स्क्वीज होना पड़ेगा, आपकी तस्वीर कट रही है, आप उस तरफ हो जाइए।
ओह सॉरी
आपको थोड़ा सा इधर होना पड़ेगा, वो नहीं सबसे कोने वाले हैं ना, उनको थोड़ा सा आगे खड़े हो जाओ।
If you don't mind, can we write? Can we say that? Can we do that? Please.
Sorry. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, just 1 second, please. So I am Aga. So I have given just your my cards and brochures. So we basically do taxes. So it's a tax season. So if you want, you can file your tax return, corporation, new corporation, payrolls, everything. We also do non-resident, and his brother is also PhD in taxation. I'm doing my CPA. So you guys in the safe hand, and you have special discount because of him, because he's your teacher. So just consider this, and you will be getting a lot of benefit from that. So your relative.
Say it again because they were off. Okay, computer guys, can you hear me?
So basically, my name is Aga. So we do taxation for individuals and corporation. So if you have special discount for all student, and his brother is also PhD in taxation. So if you want your brother, your relatives, anything, so you will.
So you have to give some special discount.
Yeah, because of you.
Yeah. Thank
Yeah.
you. Huh?
Sorry.
How much is
It
Huh?
depends.
How much is-
It depends. Yeah. So
Okay,
basically,
guys,
if you are giving 25%,
guys,
but
just one. Okay, one more request. This picture, if you don't mind, can you put into my is NC Exam Guru Facebook page?
Yes.
If I'm gonna put it, I need some feedback. I'm not okay. If I'm gonna say okay, just one more question. If I'm gonna put the picture on NCA Exam Facebook page, if I'm gonna urge you, write a good comments, write a positive comments, not negative comments are welcome. What right is going to be infringed? False expression. RJR versus McDonald's. RJR McDonald's versus Canada. False expression. Why not? Yeah. Why not negative comments? So I cannot infringe your freedom of expression. Say something, not to say anything. I can request you honest feedback. I swear to God, honest feedback. You swear to God, you have to write honest feedback. Honest feedback mean just 1 second. Just 1 second. Honest feedback.